Welcome to the weather broadcast for today, Friday, the 19th of September 2025. From our studios in Jamaica, I'm your presenter, Marshall Alexander. As we take a look at the survey shot analysis here with Dominica Green Circle, we are looking at Tropical Storm Gabrielle, about 620 miles to the northeast of Dominica here in the Green Circle, and a tropical wave in the Central Atlantic expected to approach the area sometime next week, Wednesday, with another tropical wave in the far eastern Atlantic, some 2,800 miles to the east of the Lesser Antilles, which is being monitored by the National Hurricane Center. Again, here we have Tropical Storm Gabrielle and also this tropical wave out in the far eastern Atlantic with a low chance of development, which is projected to follow a similar path like Gabrielle, moving towards the north of the northern Leeward Islands. Now, here we have the projection for Tropical Storm Gabrielle, which is expected to move in a generally northwesterly direction, moving away from the islands of Lesser Antilles with Dominica here in the Green Circle, and also projected to become a hurricane by around Sunday. Now, taking a look at satellite imagery, we can see the movement of Tropical Storm Gabrielle here as it continues to move away from the area. However, we are concerned about this area of moisture or convection, which is expected to approach the area of the Lesser Antilles. As you can see here, a relatively dry atmosphere can be observed in the region of the Lesser Antilles at this time. However, as this system continues to move in this direction, we expect to see this area of cloudiness being followed and approaching the Lesser Antilles, expected to result in an increasing cloudiness with scattered showers and possible isolated thunderstorms by around Sunday. So we're advising people in areas prone to flooding, landslides and falling rocks to be on alert and to exercise caution during Sunday. Here we can see the convection associated with that tropical wave expected in the region by next week Wednesday, and this area of convection associated with that tropical wave being monitored by the National Hurricane Center. Taking a closer look, here we can see some thunderstorm cells and thunderstorm activity associated with Gabrielle as it continues to move away from the area of the Lesser Antilles, Dominica here in the Green Circle. And again, we can see that area of convection or cloudiness, which we are concerned about, expected to approach the area of the Lesser Antilles by Sunday. Now, taking a look at the moisture, here we can see the moisture associated with Gabrielle as it continues to move away from the islands of Lesser Antilles, Dominica here in the Green Circle, a relatively dry atmosphere approaching Dominica here. And this is the area of concern, the area that we are concerned about here as it continues to move closer to the area of Dominica here by Sunday. This is the moisture associated with that tropical wave in the Central Atlantic and moisture associated with that tropical wave near the coast of Africa with a low chance of development during the next 7 days. Again, looking at satellite imagery, here we can see the cloudiness, which includes some thunderstorm cells in the region of Gabrielle here as it continues to move in a northwesterly direction. And this is the area again that we are concerned about, expected to approach the Lesser Antilles around Sunday. So again, people in areas prone to flooding, landslides and falling rocks be on alert and exercise caution as this area of cloudiness continues to approach the region of the Lesser Antilles. Here we can see the cloudiness associated with a tropical wave, some 1,800 miles to the east of Lesser Antilles, and the second tropical wave out near the coast of Africa with a low chance of development during the next 7 days. Closer to home, Dominica did experience an increasing cloudiness with some multi-layered clouds moving across the islands, which includes some high clouds as well, and this resulted in partly cloudy skies across Dominica. Now, taking a look at earlier radar imagery, what it indicated, some light to moderate scattered showers, which was seen off to the east of Dominica during today. And we can see here, some light to moderate showers can be observed off the east coast, approaching the Lesser Antilles or the islands of the Lesser Antilles. Now, tonight's weather is expected to be partly cloudy to occasionally cloudy with a few showers and a slight chance of isolated thunderstorms. Temperatures are expected to be down to 24 degrees Celsius on the coast and 23 degrees Celsius in the interior. And tomorrow, fair to occasionally cloudy skies with a few scattered showers and a slight chance for afternoon thunderstorms. On Sunday, mostly cloudy with scattered showers and a chance of isolated thunderstorms due to the approach of that band of cloudiness associated with Tropical Storm Gabrielle. Again, on Sunday, people in areas prone to flooding, landslides and falling rocks be on alert and exercise caution. By Monday, a relatively dry atmosphere, fair to occasionally cloudy skies with scattered showers and also a chance for isolated thunderstorms. Some high temperatures expected throughout the 3-day period, so we're advising residents to remain cool and hydrated. Now, with these high temperatures and light winds, we can expect to see some blow-ups of cloudiness, showers and possible thunderstorms, mainly during the afternoon. Again, we should look out for those blow-ups of showers and thunderstorms due to light winds and high temperatures during the afternoons. Sea conditions expected to be up to 7 feet during the next 3 days. So we're advising small craft operators and sea bathers to be on alert and to exercise caution due to some slight increase in wave heights. High tide tomorrow will be at 3:21 a.m. and 3:45 p.m. and low tide will be at 9:42 a.m. and 9:40 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow will be at 5:54 a.m. and sunset will be at 6:03 p.m. Again, stay informed, stay safe. Scan our QR code here to follow us on our WhatsApp channel. Search Dominica Met to follow us on Facebook and Instagram as well. And visit our website at www.weather.gov.dm for up-to-date weather information. Again, have a good weekend. Stay safe. We are in hurricane season. Stay informed. See you next time.